Can you see?
Yes, I can see. So good.
I changed the value and I tried this. So up to this, I finished only. Actually, I didn't get time. I didn't give time for
What
the
is that in sheet 1 and sheet 3, ma'am?
sheet ones in my
Yeah, in this
sheet,
workbook, yes. Okay.
yeah
And sheet
sheet
3?
sheet three.
Okay,
Just
sheet
I
3 is
wanted
blank.
to try something, but I couldn't do anything here.
Okay.
Whatever I have done, I just deleted. I don't remember now, but this is the one.
Hmm.
This I changed picture as well. I just tried on my own, change pictures.
Okay. Okay.
So this one, this one, this one. And this chart I made.
Hmm.
Oh, where is the chart gone? Should be there. Hmm. Where is my chart gone? It was there.
It's not there. It's not there on this.
No, maybe then I tried to move this chart to other page and
Oh,
I deleted from there. That's
okay.
why the sheet three is empty now. So I tried because there is an option here, no?
Hmm.
Move your chart.
Yes, yes.
So I tried that. You
Okay, no worries.
can do this. I know this. Hmm.
Okay, today we are going to understand about conditionals. Like you have understood how do we sum up the things, how do we do any calculation. Now we'll understand like each one of the cell, the small cell, how important it is. Okay.
Hmm.
You may stop sharing now. This topic is
Yeah.
very important in the terms of like something advanced about the Excel. I will just use the same one. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. I'll just take one sheet. I will just, ma'am, numbering we can copy in all of them. How to copy this? You know this?
Addition we have done. We selected one cell and drag the addition or some whatever it is.
Like here, I want one heading here as product. Okay. No. Serial number. Okay. Serial number. Let me zoom my screen. I hope it's visible properly.
Hmm.
Okay. Serial number. Now, here I'm going to do product, product.
Cost.
Yeah, and do cost, previous. Okay, now when I give serial number, this thing I have taught you how you can put it in the center, how you can merge, right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Suppose in the serial number I'm giving one, I have thousands of a product, okay? So will I be like here by default, this is page cell number, right? But when we are giving the heading, the first already goes in the heading, isn't it?
Heading.
So we are starting from the second, but this for the product, suppose my product is anything, oil. Oil is at the first number, then I have detergent,
Mm.
then I have spices, anything. So it starts from 1. If I take this will be a wrong number. This is 2. This is at serial number 1. Will I be doing it like typing 2, then 3, then 4?
Okay, yeah.
It is too hectic, right? So I'm not going to do this. Now we have to understand that how we can use a cell every time. You can apply, if you understand it well, you can apply your brain smartly whenever you get certain challenge based on some problems or some situations. Like to add it, what we did, equals to sum,
Hmm.
whatever
Some.
cell we were using, we did this. We applied the formula in the cell, and the same thing we copied, isn't it?
Yeah.
If we have to
Right.
copy the sum things. Here, what happens when we go to the serial number 2 and then 3 and then 4? Every time it is increasing by 1, isn't it?
Wow. Yeah,
Because
so
it
plus
is,
one.
yes,
Formula will be plus one then.
yeah. So here I can do,
Hmm.
okay, 1 second, I'm on a different cell. Oh, okay. One. Now this is A2, correct?
Yes.
Then we go A3. Here,
It,
can we do
two.
uh
It's equal to, okay. So one we had to do as it is, and on second cell we had to put the formula.
can we do A2 plus 1?
Yeah. 2 plus 1.
I'm just making this formula by myself. This is nothing mathematical. It's
Hmm.
not related. But what I'm trying to do, A2 plus 1. It is 2, correct?
Hmm.
But this
Yeah.
cell is having formula. This cell is not having a formula, but this cell is having a formula and I can see it here, right?
Yeah. So we have to select that cell and drag down.
Yes, and if I drag down, it is updated. So even if you have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, whatever, we can drag it down, correct?
Yeah.
Drag it back, it will go. So let me keep it till 5. You can make up more product. I'm just starting same thing.
Rice.
Okay, let me add, right?
Atta. Grocery list.
Okay,
With
all right. So yeah, what
veggies.
I'm going to do with this products is like, suppose some of the product is being buyed in the company, like in the shopkeeper is buying it. Okay, what shopkeeper is doing, or any shopping complex person, anywhere from where we purchase the stuff, they also purchase from somewhere, isn't it?
Somewhere.
And they are selling it. So they have both the operations being done,
Hmm.
buy and sold.
Selling. Hmm.
Now, how do they calculate their profit and loss? How do they do the calculation? It's not only about the matter of 2 or 3 products. They have so many products. In
Yeah.
any of the organization, any mall, any shopping complex, there are different varieties of product. If you go at a shopping center just to buy a dress, they have so varieties of things, right? They have dress, they have t-shirts, they have pants, and so on. So how do they keep the record that what they are buying, how much they have bought, How much is the remaining in the inventory? How much is the sold? Isn't it look like so complex to maintain it manually? And this is why we maintain this types of data so that we can do these things really quickly. Maintaining the data. Now, till now, we know how to do the total, how to calculate the amount, how to multiply, how to increase the value, how to organize the data, how to look at what is sold, what is remaining, how much profit we gained by the form of charts and all. But now moving towards a bit complex types of calculation, that how I can keep the record. First of all, we'll take only two parameters so that it becomes easier for us to understand buyed and sold things. Okay. Later we'll go to multiple things. So I'm buying. Suppose I buy 100 quantity of oils. Okay. Here
Mm.
I'll mention quantity. Here I'll mention amount. Uh, amount per pack we can say. Okay. And here I can say total amount, total amount. All right. Quantity, amount per packet, total amount. If you know the quantity, suppose it is 10, suppose it is 102. Okay.
Mm.
Per pack, the amount is whatever, $60, rupees, etc. Can we calculate the total?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll apply the formula here, right?
Yes.
We can make the formula 102 times 60, right?
Mhm.
60 is per pack price, amount per pack, total amount for this. Now, how much
Mm.
quantity is this bite? Is this quantity purchased? I'm just mentioning in bracket.
Mm.
All right. And here I will have quantity sold.
This amount means price of that product, right?
Yes,
Amount
ma'am.
is
Yeah, price
price
per pack of that product. Okay.
pack.
The product is oil, the product is the spices, the product is detergent, the product is rice or whatever the product is. Suppose cookies. Okay. Now I have random number 56, 24, 32, 54. Amount I'm setting randomly.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. Just make a small data things like at least 6 or 7. Just I want you to make this. Make sure we have the total amount, we have the quantity purchased, we have to mention the quantity sold. Total amount we have to calculate, okay? But quantity sold we can mention anything, but sold must be less than this one, right? Because we cannot sell what is not there in inventory, isn't it?
Mm.
So I'll mark, suppose I sold 8 quantity, I have sold 34 quantity, I sold 21 quantity, I sold 16. Okay. All right, so this is my sold. Later we'll make an calculation in another sheet. I'll tell you how we can link the sheet to keep the calculation stuff, that what is remaining, how much is remaining, how we'll subtract it. Okay. Yeah, we can do the total here as well. We can do the total here as well. Yeah, ma'am. Just quickly make this table. You can have any product, but just make the sold and buy things, purchased thing.
That's purchased, right?
Yeah.
Purchased with purchased scale. The formula will be there itself, right? If we want to increase that number,
Yes, ma'am. I applied in the
right?
formula in the second cell, I mean A3 cell. It is
Mm.
there. If I copy, I reach here. Formula is here as well. I can just drag it from here. I can go
Okay.
back from here.
Cosmetics,
Mm.
cosmetics.
You have long list. Ah,
Yeah, lentils, anything like grocery.
okay. Just thinking, I'm trying to mix up the things out of what is actually needed and what is just want. We want it. Something is a need. Two types of product in the shop. One is necessarily being sold because that is a need of the people, while spices is as the need of the people. Decor is like want. I want to decorate.
Yes.
It is there.
Mm.
Cosmetic is also a want. Okay, I want this. Few people are okay. I avoid cosmetics. Cleaning is a need. So we'll make a category of this as well. That what category it comes in.
$72.
Okay. Did you started making this table?
I have to do this?
Yeah, ma'am. That's why I'm waiting.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm just
Yeah.
looking at this.
No, make it quickly so that we can apply the formula. Make it quickly and also fill this total. Try calculating this total amount. How will you do? Total amount, this much I have purchased. Per packet, the price is this.
Stop sharing.
No, I didn't stop the sharing. I'm sharing itself in case you want any assistance.
Mm, mm, mm. Quantity after that is sold or quantity sold?
Quantity sold. How much quantity is sold out of this?
So it's in one thing. This when I am putting this formula, it should be equals to or just a2 plus one.
It's equals to A2 plus 1. I guess if you don't put equals to, then also it should work. By default, it will take.
Mhm. Mhm.
Any help, mom? I added one more column.
No, I'm just saving this. I created the table. Um, yeah, till here I am done. Amount per pack.
Okay. Have you added quantity sold, categories,
No, no,
and
no, I will do that. It should be less than the quantity we buy.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And what is in category?
Which one, mom?
Category, what it will be? What category? So what category means what? Like we have to add now, like important things or household or something
Yeah,
like
no.
that.
Category means from in category what I'm adding here that what is actually two category I have of a need and of a want. So oil is a need in the house, right? But
Yeah.
cookies is something like few people avoid eating. Okay, I don't eat cookies, outside things. So this is a want. Snacks is a want. Decor
Okay.
thing is also a want. So I have just categorized randomly. You can categorize. This is not like we are doing a real data. So some of
Yeah.
them you can mention need, want randomly. Just I'm doing this so that how we can filter the data of two categories separately.
Yeah. But then I had to mention kind of that, like important or something like that. Oil. How to
No, not
categorize?
important. Just you mention need or want.
Need,
You just use two words. You can mention important, not important. That's okay. I have used the word need and want.
need and no need, right?
Yeah.
So this is need. Everything is needed. No? Done.
Yeah. All of this is done?
Yeah, category done. The total amount I didn't do. Do I
Okay,
need
so
to do?
yeah, how will I calculate, ma'am? Any idea about the formula? How I'm going to do?
For total amount,
Yes.
it will be C2 multiplied by D2.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So equals to
Yeah.
C2 equals multiplied by D2. D2. Yeah. Now I'm selecting this cell and writing this. Yeah, done.
Hmm.
So total amount is done, quantity sold done, category need no need on that basis done.
Yeah. Okay. Quantity in stock. How will I do this? How will I get to know what is the quantity is there in the stock?
Is available.
Yeah.
Uh, quantity sold like we have like 45 minus 35. That means like purchased 45 we purchased and we sold 35. So remaining will be in our storage. Like
Yes. So we can apply the formula here as well.
yeah, C2
Minus F2.
minus F2. But where to do that?
Yes.
Shall I do one more cell?
Yeah, why it is minus 2? Okay, I did try. Yes, ma'am, do it.
So I had to add one cell here.
Yeah, quantity in stock.
Yeah. In stock. In coming will be again 22 purchased C2 minus F2. Here is the formula. It's not taking. Yes. Okay. Why it is coming in minus 85, 48?
Because you might have sold more than the purchased item.
No, I
Check,
haven't done
check,
that.
check,
Oh,
ma'am.
let's check. Let me check this. So that terms I compared. Oh, sorry about that. Cancel everything.
Everything is in minus, ma'am?
No, last three, four
Ah,
items I made mistake. I
because
calculated.
I did the same thing. You might have looked at the amount. That's why I said.
Very, I need to change. So for from 23, 48, so it should be, I have to change this one. 23, so 20, 54, 3, 15, should be 9, 32, Put all my formula, purchase now, so C is equal to C2 2 minus 2. Done. Quantity and stock.
Everything is done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Mom, now I have two categories. First of all, I have to filter the data. Filtration means I want to calculate the total amount so spend in the category of need. Like how much amount I spend in my business to purchase the item in my shop, which is of a category need. Okay.
Yeah.
Now going manually here, I just have 10 items. It's easy. I can go one. I can see, okay, 6,100. And then I can go this and I can go this, four I can calculate. And then I find one need here. I can calculate, okay, five of them are need. I will just do addition. But for a large amount of data, this is very hectic and cannot be done manually. How to automate this type of calculation? Now here also we have to do addition itself, but this addition is related with two of the cells, and out of this the categories are almost mixed up, right? We don't have any particular category here. We have need, want, and all, and here everything is mixed. How I am going to bring it? So one thing we can do it here as well, but I wanted to do in a separate sheet. So I will be adding one sheet here. Okay. Just I will mention, make sure the way need I'm writing, I have written it in uppercase. Same thing, we'll use it here. Uh, need. If it is a small letter.
Uppercase, lowercase matters?
Yes, ma'am, it matters. Here, here it won't matter when I'm writing this, but while I will be writing the formula, it will matter. Okay, I will calculate for the want as well. But first, let's do for the need. Now, what I have to do, I have to think how will I make this calculation? Just I know the formula, I can tell you in one go, but I just wanted you to think and understand so that if similar scenarios happens, you can think about how to make use of the cell, this particular cell. Now, the conditional formula goes as sum if. What we have to sum? We have to sum if the category is need. Okay. What we have to sum? The amount, isn't it? If the category is need, we have to sum the amount. Now, this much we understand that, okay, what we have to sum? We have to sum the amount of what category? Only of the need category as of now I want to do. This is my sheet 2, correct? This sheet is my sheet 2. I'm doing the calculation in the sheet 3, okay? I'm doing the calculation here. I can write the formula here itself. So what will be my formula? Let me make it a bit bigger so that you can understand. I'll write the formula. Or equals to, first of all, it goes as sum if. Okay.
Sum if. Okay.
Yeah. Let me use lowercase for formula. Sum if. What I have to sum and what is my if condition, okay? If it is need.
Need.
Now from where I am getting the data? There is nothing in the sheet. I am referring the sheet to. So we need to mention the sheet. Okay. Sheet 2.
So we have to take the data from there.
Yes. Sheet 2 will differentiate by exclamation mark. Okay. Now after this, in sheet 2, where is the data? Let me go to sheet 2 and I have this category need in G column, isn't it? It is just a G. So we'll going to sheet 3 and I'll mention G of G. G of G means
G
colon. Yeah.
and
This we read. Yeah. G of
everything in
G.
that.
We read it as G of G, G colon G. Means I'm referring G, but in G, what are we referring? Need things as of now. I'll separate it by comma. Now, when you are writing the need, it should be written in the same format as if you have used uppercase, use uppercase. If you have used lowercase, use lowercase. Need is a word, isn't it? In my sheet 2, this is not a number, this is a word. So whenever we are writing a word, it must be written in double quotes. Okay, sorry, took something by itself because I went there and I clicked. Okay, sheet 2, no. Sheet 2, G of G it was. G of G it was, then separated. Its need, I will write it in double quotes. Need. Okay. Now I'm doing the calculation. Is it done or do you think still something is remaining? Do you think this formula is completed?
No.
No. We have just referred the sheet G as of now. Now we have to refer E as well.
Amount we have to calculate.
Yeah. So
According to category. So we have to mention both.
yes, we have to mention both. Now here what we are going to mention, as soon as I click it takes it automatically. Okay, it's not sheet 2. Sorry, it's not sheet 3. I'll update it as. Again, we are going to the sheet 1. Yes. Sheet 1. I guess it was E. Yeah. E of E.
It's actually narration.
Yeah.
Some if sheet 2 means you are taking information from the GG say.
Okay, some error is happening. There is some former. Make sure you have included all the argument. Verify any reference to. From where again sheet 3 came here. Okay. It got typed automatically. Not referring this. Alright. Sheet 1.
And colon, double colon is
Comma. Okay. Yes. It's doing this much amount is spent. So the formula you want is here. Just try applying the formula to your sheet, ma'am.
My sheet, okay. But we don't know. So this is so I have to Go to another sheet, sheet number 2.
Yeah, sorry.
What was the title we gave
Here,
for this?
in this thing, in this sheet.
Yeah, need only, no? Direct
Yeah,
need.
yeah. I have used the word need, so I'm calculating the amount spent on need.
I
I'm
need to
just
check
doing.
mine because I use need and no need.
Yeah. So first do it for the need category.
Mm. Need, to change the spelling, uppercase, lowercase. That's what I asked you.
Mhm.
Does it matter? Need, 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 need. Correct. So I had to go to sheet 2, and here is need, need. Let me check again. Small letter. No need. So need, I'm going here. I'm selecting this cell, and there I have to write it down. Is equal to sum, sum, if. Sum if. Is there any space before
No,
bracket?
no.
Does it matter?
No, ma'am. No.
No. No need of space, right?
No, space is not required.
Not required, okay. Okay. My sheet 2 is open, so mine will be sheet 1. I am taking data from sheet 1 now.
Okay.
Mm, G,
You need any help now?
Yeah,
Yeah. Wait, shall I stop sharing?
yeah, shift to, yeah, right now. Mine is need, again shift to, shift to. Then we go, I just take same shift, need, shift to. Okay. Shift, shift. Mine will be sum if sheet 1.
Hmm.
Uh, what do we call this?
Ma'am, can you share your screen? I'll help
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Mhm. My brain. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Sheet 1. Is it G column for you as well?
Sheet one.
Yes. Go to
Sheet
sheet 1, ma'am. Show your sheet. G is okay, and it
one
is
is there.
total
Now
amount E.
amount is E. We're
Okay.
taking
Yeah.
this.
Come to sheet 2.
Here is double.
Okay, so
Double.
ma'am, it's not sheet 2 now, it's sheet 1 only. Sheet 1, sheet 1.
Here.
Yes, it's sheet 1. Sheet 1 of E, right? You have
This is.
mentioned. See, look at your formula, ma'am. Look at your formula. Go to sheet 2. You have mentioned.
Zero.
No, okay. Go to need column. The formula is there. Go to the need column. Go to sheet 2.
Sheet two.
Go
That
to the.
work. I have to do this.
No, ma'am, why
Yeah,
are you going
it's
back?
gone.
Click in the need column. No, it won't be gone. Like, click in the need column, the place where you were putting the formula. Go next, next. Yeah. Go next, next again. Yes, next. Click in the need column. See, in the column there is formula, right? At the
Yeah.
top, FX things. You can see the formula.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah. There after comma, you are giving sheet 2. It's sheet 1.
No, but we are snatching information from
Sheet
sheet
1.
one.
Yeah. Look at the second part, ma'am. Second part of your formula.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is our sheet two. This is my sheet two. There is nothing. I'm just working on it. So I need here sheet one.
Yes, you need to put sheet 1. E cell you are taking from sheet 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Put corrected sheet 1. Yes. Now press enter.
Mhm. Okay.
Just click in the cell of need. Click in the cell of need. Yes. Click the press enter. No. Press enter
Here.
in the cell. No.
It's the cell. Here.
Yes.
Yeah, I did it.
Something is wrong. Let me check. Your
Mhm.
G of G.
My formula is correct.
No, your formula itself is wrong.
No, but
Is it?
sheet one and sheet one only, no?
Ma'am,
When
ma'am, but what are you calculating? You haven't mentioned need or between after comma, after G of G, after comma in double quotation, put need.
yes, I will do one more thing. Hmm?
Everything is correct, ma'am. Need word is missing in your formula. After comma, after G of G, comma, in double quotes, put need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is that before. When it gone, then we will do
Yes.
need,
And then again,
then
comma. Yeah.
then comma,
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
sheet one,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah. Now your formula is correct. Now go to the need cell and just
Mm-hmm.
click and press enter. Yes.
Yeah. Very
Okay.
so
No worries.
complicated, yeah.
Okay, so it's just first time, so it was complicated. When you will think, you will do. So just it is one formula as of now, but it's not any mathematical formula. I have just linked it up. like how we can do, how we can apply the if condition. And this if condition is very, very important. Like it's something technical, but yeah, if you learn to use this, things are really, really very simpler. Otherwise, there is no use of learning Excel if we are not making use of
It
it.
should be understandable, otherwise
Yes.
we cannot do anything.
Yeah. So one time again after the class, if you practice now, it will be okay. You will get it. Like you can apply, I will give you certain condition you can apply. You have the other sheets, you have school sheets and all. Calculate the marks of a maths from that sheet to a new sheet. How will you calculate? How will you put the formula? If the subject is marks, sum it up. I will help you in framing this kinds of formula and applying the cells.
Yeah.
As of now, the very similar thing, you try doing it once again. Or you just remove the formula, or you can do it for the no need category. Now you can apply it for no need as well. Instead of need, we'll do it no need. So that you can try as a task, or else all of it again you can try making it. Right?
So no need,
Uh,
will be again.
Again, it's the same formula, but just instead of need, we'll put
Need,
no
it
need.
will be no need.
Yeah.
Because we are taking
Same cell is there, right? It is G and it is amount cell E only. So it's just simpler. Okay, I will share the recording or you can go through it. And we have a lot to do in this category. And it's really, once you will understand and you will find, okay, you're able to do it, will be really fun. You can copy the formula and you can put the same editing like no need. Yeah. G of G comma.
And,
In quotation.
no need. Yes. No need.
Ma'am, you type 2.
Huh?
You type 2. You type the number 2.
G, comma. Okay. Instead of, yeah. No, it's right. Complete. Right. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to
Enter.
put the cursor here.
Yeah, just press enter. Cursor is already there.
There and enter.
Yes, done. Yeah.
Okay. But this is actually visualization of this code.
Yeah.
What we're going from where we are getting the information and all that.
Yes, yes, yes. It's all about visualization. Everything you will have and how will you manipulate and calculate. It's just about looking and applying our logical thinking to this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I guess 11 is last time is exciting. Okay. So yeah, we'll connect on not tomorrow, not you. Tomorrow is Tuesday, Wednesday, right? I guess you have received an invitation for the class. Now the link is changed for the class. It is automatic and you can join from the calendar as well. It would be added to your calendar. But by the way, I guess for you, the link will remain same for all the classes. Like it is different for all the students, but it will be same for you. But yeah, you will receive the update on WhatsApp as well. But For automatic, it is added to the calendar, and now we'll have the regular class on the calendar, though it is added.
Yeah.
Okay, so
See, I will use with my previous shifts.
yes. Try just thinking and applying like how you
Yeah.
can do this filtration. Like I have to just calculate maths things. I have to just calculate furniture, this category. How will I do that? Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Okay, let's connect day after tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay, bye bye.
अरे अटेंडेंस अरे जैसे आपका एक दो क्लास नहीं तो एक ही चीज एक ही टॉपिक पर एक सेकंड recording commencement. Okay, now I cannot join this class. Close this. Don't save. Where is Zoom? Oh, it gets stopped. Was recording.